Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in DIY projects, DIY room decors and DIY room makeovers, then kindly subscribe to my channel and let's create beautiful pieces using household items. For this project, you will need 4 pieces of wood. I will leave the measurements in the description box below. I've also pre-drilled my pilot holes. You will also need glass, mirror, piece of wood. I had leftover wood from a previous project, some screws, screwdriver, and also those little hooks. I'm not exactly sure what they're called, but it's the hooks you use to attach glass. And of course acrylic sealant to attach the mirror. I attach the mirror to the piece of wood using my acrylic sealant. I then attach the wooden legs to the piece of wood using my screwdriver and screws. Thank you so much for watching.